A very good afternoon to Zimbabwe. Maswera say, yanga iri say shondo yenyu yanasi. And let us talk about Madhara eZANU asina nyadzi. And what they do is they come towards the elections and they try to act as if they love us, yet they do not love us. So I want to show you this video because it's important for us to actually bring the evidence of what is really happening right on the ground. So So this is it in Zimbabwe. Those who Madhara are trying to lure voters so that they can vote for them. But they are doing this vachikanganwa kuti vane time yakareba failing to deliver services in the nation of Zimbabwe. My word to the young people of Zimbabwe is don't be hoodwinked by these people. They create poverty around you so that they come with dishes and dish you something so that you can vote for them and maintain their rule forever and ever. But we are not going to do that. We are wiser than that. Let us register to vote and make sure that we fight for change.